I'll be keeping that rusty look, but I'll clean it up a little bit and give it a rust shield to keep that patina. But of course I don't want it to rust any further. But more importantly, I need to sort this out. And you can see this little air vent over here is completely clogged up, so I'm going to have to clean that all out. So I'm going to fit that little baffle first. Now interestingly, this has got holes for 5 clamps, but there's only 4. I have a nice new Phoebe cam cover gasket here, a rubber one. So on the end of the gasket you've got this round semicircular bit which goes in there, and then you've got that semicircular bit which goes around the end of the camshaft where the gear is. I'm just going to pop these on, press that down nicely there, make sure that that is correctly seated. This is my head that I've given a little bit of treatment. I forgot my cap. And then torque these up to 10 Newton meters. Yes, and then the front little bolt. Guess where those were supposed to go? Yep, on top of the cam cover. Finally, it is complete. The rocker cover is on correctly with the little kind of strips that I forgot. Front cover is on, lower cover is on, everything is torqued up. There's a little bit of oil in the head which will soak down. Now I can move on to the auxiliary bits, the auxiliary belts and the flange covers, oil cooler and so on. Then I can move on to the inlet and exhaust manifolds. So it is finally time for you to give me one of those. Hit the subscribe button and we'll finish this engine off. Thanks for watching.